Hello everyone, today I will be doing a review between my Born Pretty Store stamper and my Bundle Monster stamper. My Bundle Monster stamper is a big green rubber stamper, and it came with 3 of these larger heads and then 3 of the smaller heads over here. Came with 3 of those. And I don't really use this one anymore because I don't think it works that well. But this one is my Born Pretty Store stamper. It's really squishy and sticky, and it's silicone, and I use this one all the time. For the stamping, I'll be using these 2 plates from MoYou London, the Tropical plate and the Pro Collection plate. I'll be starting off with the Pro Collection Extra Large plate number 12. And I'm going to start off with my Bundle Monster stamper, and I'll be using a regular old credit card, and I'll be using a Sally Hansen black for stamping, and I'll have a piece of paper here to put it on. So I'll start out with this image here, because there's like a lot of fine designs with it, so I'll just be using that. And for this one, the rolling motion works the best. And there it is. It picks up pretty well, but I feel like it kind of disforms the image just because it's circular. I'll be using the same image just with a different, oops, that's wrong, just with my Born Pretty Store stamper. And I'll see how well that one works. And it works really well. And you see how on this one the flower is more round and that one it's like kind of long. And I feel like this one gets a little bit more the image and it makes a darker line. The next one I'm going to do is this leaf one right here that I use a lot. And here's the Bundle Monster stamper. And it picked up pretty well. And it kind of like shifted when I put it on, and then there's still a lot of excess on the stamper when I finish, so I would have to take a piece of tape and clean it off like that. And then I'll be using the Born Pretty Store stamper for the leaf image. And for this one, you just roll like really gently and it picks up absolutely perfect. And it stamps really dark and crisp, and there's no leftover on here except that little piece, but you can tell that this one is a lot better than that one. I'm next moving on to the Tropical Collection, plate number 18 from MoYou London, and I'm going to start off with this image over here, and I'm going to start the Bundle Monster stamper. Picks up really well, but then when you stamp it, it all smushes together, and there's a bunch of excess on the stamper, which can be a problem. So now I'm going to change to the Born Pretty Store stamper and see how that one works. Okay, so maybe that one was just me, but that one did the same thing as the other one. So I think I might try that image again. Maybe I'll try it with a different scraper since it happened for both. I'm now going to try this image right here with the hibiscus. And we're going to see how that goes. And it smeared there, but that was my fault for not doing it well. But It stamps really well for that part, but it always will now leave an excess polish there. So now I'm going to try my Born Pretty Store stamper. See how that will go. Perfect stamp. And it stamps absolutely perfect on paper, and there was no leftover on there. So, as my opinion, I think that the Born Pretty Store stamper is a lot better. So now I'm just, I did a couple more images with my other plate, the Sailor Collection plate number 10, and this was the rectangular one, and then these two were the Bundle Monster. That was the first one, and then it had excess, so then I stamped it again. That's what it looked like. So the clear one, or the rectangular ones, are the ones from the Squishy Stamper from Born Pretty Store, and the circular ones are from Bundle Monster. So just to end, I think that the one from Born Pretty Store is a lot better. I think just because it's silicone and not rubber, and it's really squishy and has some stick to it, and this one, you have to press on it hard and there's no stick to it at all. So thank you for watching.